If you want to make mobs look more alive here in Minecraft 1.21.8, this video is going to show you exactly how you can do that by installing fresh animations, because it makes your world feel a lot more immersive. If this video does help you out though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. But the first step is actually exiting out of Minecraft. So go ahead and close out of that, and yes, it does include the launcher, and open up a web browser of your choice. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this, but you could use whatever you would like. And what you're going to want to do is actually go to curseforge.com, click on this little Minecraft section, hit browse all, and in this section, search up fresh animations and select this top option right here. And then go to the files tab just like so and filter it by game version of 1.21.7. Now, even though it does say 1.21.7, don't worry, these files actually work perfectly on version 1.21.8. So essentially go ahead and just click on this little download section here and hit download file, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Simply go ahead and wait a few seconds and it's going to automatically start downloading like it did right here. Now, for fresh animations to work, you are going to need either Optifine or EMF. Optifine is best if you're using just the animation pack, while EMF is way better if you're using multiple mods. In this tutorial, I'm going to go through how you can use Optifine, but we have a video on our channel going over EMF if you'd rather use that. Essentially, open up another browser and search up Optifine and hit enter, and go to the official Optifine website and click on this downloads tab. From here, select Minecraft version 1.21.8 and then download the top option by just clicking download. Once again, it's going to take you to an ad page. Wait about 5 seconds, and then there's going to be a skip option in the top right corner. As you can see, there we go. The skip option's there. Click it and then hit download. Now from here, you're going to want to go ahead and actually open up your downloads. And once the Optifine finishes installing, go ahead and click on it to open it up. And it's going to open up a page that looks like this. Simply go ahead and hit install just like so. And it should say Optifine is successfully installed. You just got to hit OK, and it's going to close out of that. But now what you're going to want to do is actually open up the Minecraft launcher. You can actually close out of Chrome as well. And then click on the Minecraft version section and select Optifine and then hit play. It's going to pop up with a tab just like so. Just go ahead and tick it and hit play again. And then go ahead and select a single player world and just load into any world. Now, to actually get fresh animations to work, you just got to hit the pause button or escape button and go to options and then go into resource packs. And what you're going to want to do is actually open up that downloads folder by just opening up the download section in File Explorer and just simply drag it into your game, and it's going to pop up with a page that looks like this. Hit yes just like so, and then find it in here. This one was this one that was labeled 2. Once you find it in here, just click on the little arrow and then hit done, and it's going to reload Minecraft for you, but this time you're going to have fresh animations with Optifine installed, which is pretty awesome. See if we can find a mob real quickly just to show you that this is working. Here's some bees over here. I guess that'll work. As you can see, the bees have a lot smoother animations, everything looks better, and it is working perfectly. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe for even more videos just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.